Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with
In the
Miss
last
Ida's
week,
class.
we learned about the name of the 3D shape. Today, Miss Ida will tell you about the characteristic of 3D shape. Now, let's start from this cube. What color do you see in this cube? And do you know what is this part? In this cube, the color part is faces. Why we call it faces? Because when we see the cube, we can immediately see the face at first. So we call it face. Let's count how many faces in this cube. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. There are 6 faces in the cube. Now let's move to other characteristic. Can you see the white line in this cube? Yeah, this white straight line called by an edge. Yes, cube has edges. Now let's count how many edges that we can see in this cube. Okay, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges in this shape. Okay, edges, remember, edges mean straight line. Okay, now let's move to other characteristic. Okay, do you see the alphabet in this slide? From A until H. Now, what do you call this? Yeah, we call this characteristic is corner. Okay, corner is something that meet by 2 straight lines. Now, let's count how many corners in this cube. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners in the cube. Okay, now do you understand what are 3 characteristics from 3D shape? Okay, now let's repeat again. The first is face. Face is something that we can see from in front of the shape. And then the second is edges. Edges is straight lines that build that shape. And then the last is corner. Let's see. These are the corners of the cube. Okay, after you see 3 characteristics from 3D shape, now it's time for you to know how to write the characteristic of 3D shape. Okay, the first that we already learned before is edges. The second is corners. And the third is faces. But remember, not every shape has a flat surfaces. For cone, sphere, and cylinder, they are not only has a flat surfaces but also curved surfaces. It's time for you to prove your understanding by doing the worksheet.
Please open workbook 2, page 219, and then please count how many corners, how many edges, and how many faces in that shapes. Okay, that's all from Miss Ida. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.